1 hour later.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the EAS Industries in Green Hills, Minnesota. If you are within a 4-mile radius of the 5 Points in downtown Green Hills, shelter in place now. There is an ongoing situation in Green Hills right now. A shooting is now in progress. The suspect is unknown. Wait for an all-clear message. If the message is not all clear or escalates, please stay tuned. For more information. This is The following message is transmitted at the request of the EAS Industries, Duluth Police Department and the Emergency Management Agency in Hermantown, Minnesota. Duluth police have found similar to what happened in the shooting in Green Hills. There is base of one of the residents there. You will find to what appears to be coordinates inside someone's house. This happens at around the same point that EAS Industries about the incident. They discovers that a 50-year-old secret has been uncovered. Named Project JJ, a long buried file with the top secret location of a research facility, is now in the open. Residents in Duluth, Green Hills and Hermantown are asked to keep all doors and windows locked until we figure out what Project JJ does. There may be a severe thunderstorm warning cause this figure. Project JJ might control severe thunderstorms, storms, snow, and in hurricanes. Once again, all residents living in Hermantown, Duluth and in Green Hills are advised to stay in your homes. Lock all doors and windows until the situation is definitely over. Please stay tuned for more information on this deadly situation.
Tomorrow.
Please stand by for an important message from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central St. Louis County in northeast Minnesota until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:58 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms with snow along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Rye to 7 miles east of Swan River, moving east at 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorms will be near Floodwood by 1:05 a.m. Central Standard Time, Cowan and Meadowlands by 1:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, Brookston and Culver by 1:20 a.m. Central Standard Time, Canyon and Saginaw by 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, Hermantown and Fredenburg by 1:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, Duluth by 1:45 a.m. Central Standard Time, French River and Palmers by 1:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Hail up to 1 inch in diameter, winds over 60 miles per hour, and whiteout conditions are likely with these storms. Take cover in a sturdy building, and stay away from windows. If caught outdoors, get into a depression, and protect your head.
Brilliant, bud. Big throws, big hits, all the frozen tundra. As the Seahawks attackers lock horns and Lambeau. Be the hero. Who gets the Eagles next? On a push was to avenge the blowout loss to the Broncos. Would Manning finally get a playoff win? Or would the Broncos run wild again in Indy? Playoff football coming your way next on NFL Prime Time.
by for an important message from civil authorities. The following message is transmitted by the St. Louis County Emergency Management. Over the past 30 minutes, the lightning seems to have dissipated. However, many injuries and reports of moderate structural damage have been received. According to Doppler radar, the storm has stopped moving as well, and is slowly spreading in all directions. It will continue to snow over the area for the foreseeable future. Stay tuned for further updates.
Tomorrow.
Hello there, everyone. I am Casey Castle. I have breaking news today. Snow thunder was lifting across the Northland this evening. Most locations will get less than an inch of snowfall, with locally higher amounts. For the higher amount, JJ Pelletier is suspicious because he won't tell us anything. Please keep away from him and stay away from shelter until farther notice. Thank you and God bless America.
The next day.
This Okay, we are getting reports. They're asking all residents to lock all your doors and windows immediately. The same suspect, JJ Pelletier, is the real culprit here. He's making weird creatures out of snow and making severe thunderstorms out of snow and lightning. He is now dangerous. They're asking all residents near Duluth, Minnesota to remain inside until he's back to a good guy again. Jays is out there once again trying to get his uncle back to good guy again. We are now turning to the emergency alert system again. Stand by, everyone, and God bless America.
The following message is transmitted by the Minnesota and Wisconsin State Emergency Management. A state of emergency has been issued for counties affected by the weather phenomena today. The snow has dissipated, however the spiders remain. The United States government has an undisclosed plan to deal with these spiders, and the plan will be carried out shortly. Since over 1.5 feet of snow fell in such short notice, the resulting flood waters can cause damage to buildings, particularly those surrounding the St. Louis River. It is recommended that persons within a quarter-mile radius of the St. Louis River relocate to a higher elevation or further away from the river. Repeating, a state of emergency has been issued for areas impacted by the weather phenomena this morning.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the EAS Industries, Duluth Police Department and the Emergency Management Agency in Hermantown, Minnesota. Duluth police have found similar to what happened in the shooting in Green Hills. There is base of one of the residents there. You will find to what appears to be coordinates inside someone's house. This happens at around the same point that EAS Industries about the incident. They discovers that a 50-year-old secret has been uncovered. Named Project JJ. Is now officially destroyed. All the things causing with it and now are now done for. The coordinates are now destroyed as well. All thanks JJ Pelletier and Jace Pelletier who helped destroy Project JJ with their superpowers. That being said, all clear. All residents may should exit their shelter. Duluth Police Department thanks you for your cooperation.